In this edition of the Taproom, we learn that having a plan in place will almost always lead to success. A 9-hour difference between Sean Lucas and our guest trader Saul did not stop profits from being made. But in this session, the markets could have gone either way. And when this happens, control is everything, which is what Sean and Saul set out to do. Take control of their trades and not let the markets dictate how their trades perform. It was an immersive experience into how to read sentiment and determine where price action is headed. And as they discover what their positions are, then comes the build. And that was the key to success of this trading session.
This is kind of what we do, Saul, is I often do this little contingency planning where I'm just like trying to figure out, if it most likely should do this, but if it doesn't, what is the most likely thing for it to do?
Yeah, so you have a plan already.
Yeah, exactly.
It's not about the size of the range or the trades, but rather how to set it up to maximize profitability. Compare this to sowing. When you plant seeds in a field, you might do one of two things. You could scatter the seeds over the area with a little preparation, or you can plan carefully and plant seeds with specificity according to what you expect to happen. Each seed you dig into the ground has its purpose. You need to give each one space to bloom and grow exactly how you want them to. You also need to analyze the lay of the land and find out what seeds are suited for which soil. Once you have all the information you need, and once you deliberately place your seeds, you can see them flourish and give you the fruits of their labor. In this case, money does grow on trees, and the fruit is pips.
You're not changing or trading your time for money. You trade money for money. Your time value goes up, raises.
But it's not always cut and dry. When caught in a sideways market, it takes years of patient training to read the chart and pinpoint where the next trend will arise. Whether they're bullish or bearish trends, how to build into them is critical. And when it's not performing accordingly and losing trades are inevitable, risk management skills come into play. What matters is not how much is lost, but how to climb out of the hole and start anew. That's what Saul took away from this lesson, and it applies to new and elite traders all the same. Watch as these traders worked in tandem and used their experience and learned behavior to come out on top and harvest an amazing $1,300. Check out the full episode in the Trader on the Street Taproom. Click the link in the description to download the notes from the session, The Art of Chart Reading.